You're seeing these product videos right now, right? What if I told you that you can promote your own product like this without spending any money? No models, no studio, no expensive shoots. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created these clips, step by step, using free tools. So if you want clean, professional-looking product ads without a budget, stay with me. This is for you. I wanted a sample product to promote because I don't actually have one. So I decided to generate a sample pair of shoes. You don't need to worry about this part because you already have a product, right? First, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a well-organized prompt for a pair of shoes. I type something like, I want a prompt to generate white sneakers with a golden line, and the brand name is Psych printed on the shoes. I also mentioned ChatGPT's role as an experienced prompt engineer. Then I click the plus icon, go to More, and select Web Search, so ChatGPT can learn from the web and improve the prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I copy it. Next, I go to Gemini and paste the prompt there. From the tools, I select Create Image to access Nano Banana, and then submit it. And this is what I got, a pair of sneakers. This will be my product. Click here to download. All right, now I have a product to promote. Let's move on to creating the model to promote this product. Just like before, I go to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt for a model to promote sneakers. I ask it to describe the model very clearly, his body type, face shape, fair skin tone, and make sure he's wearing the sneakers. If you already have an idea of how the model should look, you can explain that to ChatGPT. Based on your idea, it will generate a perfect prompt that matches your vision. So this is what we get. This is the prompt for our model. Copy it. Then, just like before, go to Gemini. From the tools, select Create Image. Paste the prompt and wait for the result. Okay, this is what we get. Not bad, right? Full body visible, excellent pose, a clean studio background, and he's wearing white sneakers. Now we need to replace this pair of shoes with our product. Click the plus icon, select Upload File. Choose your product image and upload it. Then use a prompt like, just replace the man's shoes with these sneakers. Don't change anything else. And make sure the full body stays visible. And here we go. We've got one result. You can see the golden lines clearly, but the psych word is invisible. That's fine. We'll handle that part during the video generation. Now go back to ChatGPT and continue using the same chat where we got the model prompt. Upload the last image we downloaded, the model wearing our shoes. Then ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt to animate this image for a promotional video. Also, make sure to mention that the word psych should be visible on the shoes. ChatGPT will give you a video generation prompt. This is what it gave. Here, it also asks whether you want a 5-second or 6-second version. At that moment, I remembered that I'm going to use Grok Imagine to animate the images, and Grok only supports 6-second clips. So I asked ChatGPT to refine the prompt specifically for a 6-second video. And now we've got a new prompt. These negative prompts are very important. Make sure to include them. Things like, don't distort, don't deform, don't change the word, and similar instructions, so the final result stays clean and accurate. Now copy this prompt. Go to Grok Imagine, the free image and video generation tool. Upload your model image, the one wearing your shoes or product. At first, Grok will automatically animate it without using our prompt. And this is what we get. Yeah, it's totally a mess. weird movements and awkward motion. So let's fix that. Paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave and submit it. And now look at this. Perfect, right? It smoothly zooms into the sneakers, and the brand name is clearly visible. If things don't go well the first time, don't worry. Just read the prompt, tweak it a little, and regenerate. That's how you get exactly what you want. This video is in SD quality for now. Before downloading, click the 3 dots and select Upscale Video. See? Now it's HD. Then download it from here. And that's how we create video clips for our small ad campaign to promote products. But we need more clips. So go back to ChatGPT and ask for more poses using the same model, with different backgrounds and different outfits. Ask ChatGPT to mention only the pose, background, and outfit, nothing extra. You can also give your own ideas. For example, you can say something like, the model walking on a muddy road. Whatever's in your mind, just tell it. ChatGPT will then give you several prompts. In my case, I got 6 shots: a muddy road walk, an urban street walk, a side profile walk, a standing power pose, and a rainy lifestyle shot. The idea is to show that these shoes work in every situation. You get me, right? Now copy each prompt one by one. First, I copy the muddy road prompt. Then I go to Gemini, start a new chat, upload our model image, and paste the prompt. Also mention, keep everything else the same, and make sure the model's full body is visible. Don't forget to select Create Image from the tools. And this is the image we get. It looks good, so download it. Now follow the same procedure we did before. Go back to ChatGPT, upload the new image, and ask for a prompt to animate it. Copy that prompt. Then go to Grok Imagine, upload the image, and it will automatically turn it into a video. This is the result it gives without using our prompt. And honestly, it's not bad, right? So I will upscale it and download it. After that, I paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave. This time, I slightly change the prompt. So remember, read the prompt and tweak it when needed. Don't be lazy, guys. And now look at this. Awesome, right? If you want the same walking style but a bit longer, here's a simple trick. Take a screenshot at the end of the video, upload it back into Imagine, and animate it again. I explained this in my last video. That's it. Just repeat this process for every shot that ChatGPT gives you, and you'll have all the clips you need for your little ad campaign or whatever. All right, now let's take a look at the final video. And that's all for today. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.